Hey you! Yeah you! Want to know why companies go public? Buckle up! Okay, so what's a stock? Imagine a company as a giant pizza. Each slice represents a chunk of ownership. These slices are what we call stocks. When a company goes public, it's like saying, hey, we've got pizza for everyone. They sell these slices or stocks to the public, but why do they do it? Simple. Money. Companies need funds to grow, invent new products, or sometimes just to pay off debts. Going public lets them tap into a huge pile of cash from investors like you and me. When we buy a stock, we own a tiny piece of that company. If the company does well, our little slice becomes more valuable. But, like pizza, sometimes it gets cold and loses value. So, it's a bit of a gamble. And there you have it. Stocks in a nutshell, or should I say, a pizza box. Hungry for more financial wisdom? Hit that subscribe button and let's keep this money talk rolling.